Hey guys, it's Jessica and I wanted to show you how to make this really cool rug that's done with a clothesline. I got my clothesline at Walmart and it was only $4.88 for this 100-foot. And I like this one because it has cotton in it, so it'll be really nice for my little bath mat that I made. And this is what it looks like. So what you'll do is you need to have a size H 5mm crochet hook and any worsted weight yarn. I'm using 100% cotton because it'll be used, like I said, as a bath mat, so I want it to be absorbent. And we're going to crochet around this rope. Okay, so now we will get started. And I would say the hardest part of this project is the very beginning, and then it's super, super easy. But what you're going to do is take your yarn and have your rope facing this way. Okay, so you're working away from the end of the rope. And we are just going to wrap our yarn like so, and pull it around the rope, and make a single crochet stitch. Okay, so if you've ever done tapestry crochet, it's really similar where you're working around with tapestry crochet, you're working around the yarn, and with this one we're working around the rope. So for this rug, I single crochet about 6 stitches. So I'm on 3 right now. 4, 5, and 6. Okay, from here, you are going to take this and you sort of make a circle like so. Okay, so sort of wrap the rope around your stitches. And then for the second round, you're going to work into this stitch here, the very first stitch that you made. Grab the yarn and pull through. Okay, and we're going to keep working around like this. Pull through. It might take a few times to practice. Now you want to make 2 stitches into each stitch on this round. Otherwise it'll start to buckle up and kind of make more of a cup than a flat rug. Okay, so there's 1 and 2. Now we go into the next stitch. 1, 2, and in the following rounds, there's really no method to it. You just want to make increases every few stitches. So work, 1 stitch into the next stitch, and then work 2 stitches. Like I said, there's no real math to it. You just don't want it to start tightening up because then it will turn into a cup if you don't make those 2 stitches in the 1 stitch. So just be sure that you increase every so often, and if it starts to create a cup or kind of a basket, then you need to start increasing more. So I'm still working 2 into each stitch here, and I'm just doing single crochet stitches. Here we go, 1, 2, and just continue to work around. Just like so. you can see the beginning of your rope rug. And I love using the color changing yarn because it's such a simple pattern, and with the color changes it makes it look really fancy, but you can certainly use a solid color yarn. Any worsted weight yarn will work, but if you're using it for a bathroom or if you want it to be absorbent, definitely cotton is the way to go. So I hope you enjoyed this and have a great day.